Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the second difference between class and structure. The difference is that if you need to change the mutable property of structure, then you need a mutable property, mutable object, but not in the case of class. Now, what does this line mean? So you have a structure person and you have a property that is mutable type where is integer. Let me assign a value 25 default. If I have to change this property using a immutable type object person, and if I write person dot age to 54, then it is not allowed. If you want to change this mutable property inside the structure, then this object also needs to be mutable type. Now it is allowed. If I print this, it works fine. But it is not the same for classes. If I have a class instead of a structure, then even though I have a immutable object, it can still change the mutable property. If I run this, then it works fine. Now let's delete this code. Let me create a copy of this object, person to person. So this is a class, it has an object, and I made a copy of this object. Let me change the property using the new copy 56. If I run it, the output is 56. So what is happening here? So first of all, I have an object over here, person. Age is 25. Okay, age is 25. And whenever I define an object or declare an object, the person is a reference variable pointing to that object. If I create a new copy, what is happening is the same object is being pointed by a different reference variable like this. That's why on line number 14, when we made 25 to 56, it is reflected throughout because this person, the first reference variable, is also pointing to the same age, right? That's why whether you change age using this reference variable or this reference variable, the change is reflected throughout, everywhere, in every copy. Okay, that is what happening for classes. But the same thing in the case of structure is different. So if you have a structure over here and you do the same thing and run, first of all you need to make this var type, run the previous output. Okay, then that is not the case in structure. Now what is happening here, you have a object age with value 25 and this person is pointing over here. Now for structure, if you copy this over here, then it creates a new copy like this. Age is 25 and this is person 2 like this. Now on line number 14, if you are changing this age to 56, then this reference variable is changing its own copy over here. It becomes 56, but the older value, the value that is pointed by the person structure, sorry, the person reference variable will not change, because the change is only over here, not over here. Okay, so that is the difference between structure and classes, and this is the second difference. Thank you for listening.